Click on the link below to get discount. GRECELL 200W Portable Solar Panel for Power Station. Designed by 6-layer lamination technology and built-in monocrystalline silicon solar cells, which are more heat and chemical resistant with excellent 95% transparency. GRECELL 200W solar panel can convert up to 23.5% of solar energy into free energy for power station generation. 4%. Outperforming comparable solar panels on the market and more than 1.2 times that of conventional polysilicon solar panels. It is a ready-to-go solution for the outdoor off-grid. Its advanced laminated technology, a heat-resistant dust-proof and waterproof film on the surface, and 840D Oxford cloth outer, prevent damage of the cells due to moisture and sun. Make it more durable, scratch-resistant, and moisture-proof. It is IP65 waterproof, which will protect it from water splashing. Withstand a variety of weather conditions, making it ideal for outdoor adventure. Do not place it under the rain, or soak it in water. There is a built-in MC4 cable and a separate 4-in-1 cable. The versatile 200W solar panel is widely compatible with most solar generators on the market. Working well with power stations of Jackery, ECOFLOW, Bluetti, Anker, and others, especially great with the GRECELL solar generators. With a charging controller and alligator clip, not included, you can also charge your 12V batteries, such as AGM, gel and lithium-ion. This solar panel comes with 4 built-in adjustable kickstands, which can be set up in a few seconds, placed firmly on the ground, and can be adjusted to maximize solar power harvesting. For high-quality grommets around the edges of the solar panel to accommodate a variety of mounting configurations like off the side of a RV. A waterproof built-in cable bag with 2-way zippers protects your charging cables and stores small items outdoors. This portable solar panel 200 watts can be folded down to a quarter of its full size, folded size only 25.82 by 21, 1 by 2. 95-inch, features a robust rubber handle for easy briefcase-style carrying, weight 17.94 pounds, easy to carry. They've also added 2 convenient front clips to prevent opening while carrying. When taking it camping, this foldable solar panel kit can save even more space in your vehicle. You're able to take this solar panel anywhere you need solar power. Click on the link below to get discount.